Hey guys, welcome back to drawing. Today I've got a special suggestion for Fungus the Bogeyman. Alright, so we want to start off with the shape of his head. So it's kind of, actually no, I'll start a bit lower. Alright, go down here. There you go. So you get the shape of his head, which is this kind of thing. Don't really understand it too well, but hey. Alright, give him some nice ears. There's his ears. Okay. He's got this weird thing here. And he's got these little baby garbage horns. Okay, sweet. He's got his tiny little eyes. Tiny little eyes. He's got this disgusting nose that goes down and then sort of, yeah, disgusting nose. He's got these massive dimples. Massive dimples. But you can't deny he's got a stunning smile. You know, he's got these going on. He's got that going on, and then he goes, oh yeah, down a bit, yeah. Then he goes, just like that, and there we go. I'm not drawing the rest of his body because actually fine. Alright, I hope you're happy. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. Always watch out for Fungus the Bogeyman because he smells.